இதா ரெக்கார்டிங் கிளிக் பண்ணு. ஜூம் பண்றது எப்படி?
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the spectacular morning balloon festival in the heart of Qatar. We're here at the Al Saad Sports Arena, where the sky is about to come alive with a breathtaking display of color and excitement. I'm your host, and I'll be guiding you through this mesmerizing experience. Picture this. The sun is just starting to rise, casting a warm golden glow over the horizon. And what better way to welcome the day than with the graceful ascent of hot air balloons? The Al Saad Sports Arena has been transformed into a canvas of vibrant hues as the balloons prepare to take flight. As we look around, we can see families and friends gathering, sharing smiles and laughter, creating memories that will last a lifetime. This festival is not just a celebration of balloons. It's a celebration of community, joy, and the spirit of togetherness. The inflation process is truly a sight to behold. Gigantic balloons slowly coming to life, standing tall against the backdrop of the early morning sky. The energy here is contagious as pilots and crew members work seamlessly to ensure a safe and thrilling experience for everyone. And there they go.